Welcome back to The Source. You're watching the only place where we look past the hype and straight into the tech. We've all seen how fast things move in this space, but every once in a while, a platform like Coinstore proves exactly why it's become the go-to starting line for projects that actually want to last. This is about watching a project enter the market with the kind of structure and momentum that usually only the big players get to see. Today, that spotlight is hitting a brand new chapter on the Coinstore launchpad because we're talking about a fresh IEO opportunity with a project called Zoko. But before we even touch the chart or the coin itself, we have to talk about why Coinstore is the place where these stories actually begin to matter. Stick around until the very end of this one because we're breaking down a massive shift in how privacy and compliance are about to work, and this is one deep dive you absolutely do not want to miss. Alright guys, as I was saying, the real strength of Coinstore comes down to its process. Instead of chasing every temporary trend, this platform focuses on introducing innovation step by step, making sure that everything is handled transparently and fairly for a global audience. Using Coinstore feels less like a gamble and more like a discovery because you're seeing these projects at the exact moment they are born into the market. And while you got all the standard features like staking and wallets, the real heart of this ecosystem is actually the Coinstore launchpad. You can think of the launchpad as a guided journey rather than a simple sale page. Every project is presented with its full vision, its underlying technology, and a clear token model so you can actually evaluate what you're looking at without feeling rushed. During the IEO phase, the subscription process is built around fairness, which means that allocations are proportional to what you subscribe with USDT. Once the distribution happens, the tokens land directly in your account and the project enters the market with real liquidity and a community of users who are ready to go from day one. This structured approach is exactly why the Launchpad has become such a trusted entry point for all new ecosystems, and we're seeing that exact model in action right now with Zoko. Let's get into the details of what's live and why this privacy layer is actually turning heads in the fintech space. Zoko is making its official entrance through the Coinstore launchpad as an official IEO, and this is exactly where the strength of the Coinstore system becomes obvious. During the Zoko IEO, the entire process happens directly through the launchpad interface we just talked about, where users participate by subscribing with USDT. Once you've committed, those funds are secured during the event window to ensure a stable launch environment. And after the subscription window closes, the system calculates the allocation for every participant proportionally, which is ensuring a fair distribution across the board. The tokens are then delivered automatically to user wallets right before the trading pair goes live on the market spot. This structured path removes the usual chaos of a first-come and first-served listing and replaces it with a market entry designed to protect the integrity of the project and the entire community. This is the perfect example of Coinstore operating at its best. They're taking a complex global launch and making it controlled, transparent, and accessible to literally everyone from day one. That being said, guys, let's peel back the curtain on what Zoko actually is. We're looking at a technology-driven ecosystem called Zocomo that focuses on a future where blockchain infrastructure and real-world utility finally meet. Their vision centers on solving one of the biggest headaches in crypto, and that is how to handle compliance without sacrificing privacy. Instead of just launching another speculative asset, they've built a zero-knowledge layer that allows apps to verify things like your age or identity without ever seeing your actual personal data. Apps get a simple yes or no answer, and you keep your private information exactly where it belongs. This focus on long-term technological scaling rather than short-term noise is exactly why a launch on the Coinstore Launchpad makes so much sense. Coinstore has become a gateway for early discovery, connecting us with these types of innovation before the wider market even realizes what's happening. So if you're following their Launchpad, you're positioned at the very beginning of these new narratives. As you know, guys, every major project starts somewhere, and more often than not, those beginnings are happening right here in a structured and clear environment. The Zoko IEO is a perfect reminder that the best opportunities do not come from chaos. They come from clarity. Make sure you're following Zocomo directly on X and definitely explore everything that Coinstore has to offer at their official site coinstore.com. If you found this useful, don't forget to share the video with the fam, hit the subscribe button, and as always, turn on notifications so you never miss these early stage discoveries. As always, I've got all the official links waiting for you in the pinned comment below. Thanks for hanging out, stay focused on the tech, and I'll see you in the next video.